Have you ever seen those videos online? Someone who can memorize a deck of cards in seconds, or someone who can lift a car. It makes you wonder, are there actually superhumans among us?
Exactly. It's mind-boggling. We see these incredible feats, and we're left wondering if it's just extreme talent, dedicated training, or something else entirely.
So, let's dive in. First, we need to define what we even mean by superhuman. Does it mean someone with powers beyond the capabilities of a normal person? Or is it about surpassing the average in specific areas?
That's a crucial point. It's easy to get caught up in the fantasy of superpowers, but scientifically, superhuman is a complex term. We could be talking about exceptional abilities, honed skills pushed to the extreme limit of human potential, or even genetic predispositions that give some individuals an edge.
Right. So, let's explore some examples. Take memory champions. People like Joshua 4, who trained himself to memorize thousands of digits. Is he superhuman or just incredibly disciplined?
That's a great example. For success comes from using memory techniques, combining them with rigorous training. He didn't suddenly develop a new brain structure. He mastered methods accessible to anyone who dedicates the time and effort.
So, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's considered normal, not about breaking the rules of biology. What about those who seem to have extraordinary physical strength?
The car-lifting feats. Often, these involve adrenaline-fueled bursts of strength under extreme stress. The body's capable of incredible things in moments of crisis, but it's still within the realm of human physiology, just a temporary peak performance.
There's also the case of individuals with rare genetic conditions. Some might have exceptional physical abilities, but that's not exactly what we might imagine as superhuman, is it?
No, not in the comic book sense. These cases highlight the spectrum of human potential and the impact of genetics. While fascinating, they aren't necessarily examples of surpassing typical human capacity in a way that transcends natural biological limits.
So, where does that leave us? Is there a line between exceptional ability and the truly superhuman?
The line is blurry and probably doesn't really exist. It's more about perspective. What's extraordinary for one person might be commonplace for another. What we call superhuman is often just an extreme expression of already existing human capabilities, amplified by dedicated practice, strategy, and sometimes a bit of luck.
It's fascinating how our perception of what's possible is constantly shifting. What seemed superhuman just a generation ago might be achievable with today's training methods and technological advancements.
Exactly. This highlights the incredible plasticity of the human brain and body. While we may not have X-ray vision or the ability to fly, the potential for human achievement remains incredibly vast and constantly evolving.
So, while there may not be literal superhumans running around with superpowers, the human capacity for extraordinary feats is remarkable and deserves celebration.
Absolutely. And who knows what future advancements might unlock in terms of human potential, perhaps blurring that line even further.
That's a thought to leave our listeners with. Thanks for joining us.
Until next time.